You will order rice. Okay, okay. Isihan. Pupunta kayo pa.
Hello.
Are you vlogging?
No,
You are recording on...
just walking.
I just
Last
walking.
time I was vlogging and they banned me 3 times strike. And
Here in Ilocos?
I was
You
telling-
were vlogging here in Ilocos?
yeah,
Yeah.
3 times strike.
Sure, what part of Ilocos?
Mano.
Mag-hi ka na. Mag-hi ka na. Hi!
Hello.
Vlogging
Hi!
is illegal here. Hi, man. What's
Really?
up? Oh, yes.
Ma, when you're saying something that is not good, or
Oh, even if not good.
I was last time 9 years ago here.
Here in Vigan?
Yeah,
You have been here in Vigan last 9 years ago?
yeah, 2015.
Then, when
Yeah,
Vigan is so beautiful.
yeah, yeah. It's much better than Manila.
Yes, but Vigan is better than Manila.
Definitely.
Because here in Vigan, the people here in Vigan are so very friendly, not
Yeah.
in Manila.
Yeah, Manila is
In
Jungle.
in Manila, there is not your gadgets.
yeah. Not only that, jungle. In jungle there is a lot animals.
Yes, here in Vigan, we are friendly here.
Hmm.
Yeah.
But you have different language. I try to understand. I didn't.
That's very common because we're not same.
Do you have any Spanish words?
No, I don't know Spanish, only English.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I mean, no. Do you have in your language, in your kind of Spanish
Yes.
language?
Yes. Our language here in Ilocano, just like Spanish. Some words in Ilocano are same in Spanish.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. That's
Like I said, I love every possible place. Even I was in small villages, like 100
Where are
people
you from?
instead. Germany.
Germany. You're German. 100% German. Have something.
50-50.
50.
50% human. No,
50.
Croatian.
Croatian. You're Croatian
Croatian.
and half German. Yeah. That's good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, bro.
Bye. Okay. Try. Got that. That's good. Okay.